Locate the machine's electronics box inside, at the top of the right panel. Remove the warning sticker, and you'll see a hole on the front, providing access to the screw head securing the housing. Using a hex screwdriver, loosen the screw inside. Once loose, remove the protective cover from the control board. Loosen the screws on the terminal indicated in the image. Connect the black wire to the left terminal, negative, and the red wire to the right terminal, positive. Make sure each wire is fully inserted into the terminal and tighten both screws. Check that the connections are secure by gently tugging on them. Once the cable is connected, place the housing cover back in its position and tighten the screw to secure it. Take the screw and nut and place it in the slot in the aluminum profile on the underside of the control board. Turning the screw should lock the nut into the slot. Place the second screw on top of the first, approximately 10 centimeters away. Position the voltage regulator with the red wire facing upwards and secure it with both screws. Connect the wire to the control board. Next, glue the cable guides above the lighting ring with the clamp opening facing upwards. Now, place the UV LEDs on the top edge of the ring light, at the yellow marks shown in the video, or, if they are not marked, in the middle of each side. Insert the LED holder into the top of the white edge, leaving the LED at the top, and press until you hear a click. Repeat this process with the remaining 3 LEDs. With the UV LEDs already installed, connect the power cable to the bottom of the step-down unit, black and yellow wires, and continue connecting each LED to its corresponding pin. Note that one of the wires is shorter than the other. Route the wires through the guides, ensuring they are not visible to the camera.